1 onion. You're cooking with your boy SwabiDabi. Chop it up. It's your boy SwabiDabi. And we got your bell peppers here. Chop it up. And we making my good old spaghetti. You got your mushrooms, your shrooms. Pop it up. Drain out that juice. You know, and then you got your 1 pound of ground beef. And you got 1 tablespoon of seasoning and 1 golf ball of brown sugar. Cook it up. All in the same pot. Wheat noodles, boil it up. Combine all your ingredients. Mix it up. You're cooking with your boy SwabiDabi.